Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone! Today we're making delicious, easy cornbread muffins. First, let's get our oven ready by preheating it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While that warms up, prepare a standard 12-cup muffin pan by lightly greasing it. Now, in a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients. 1 1/4 cups of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Give these a good whisk until they are well combined. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. Grab a medium-sized bowl and whisk together 3/4 cup of whole milk with 1 large egg. Then, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and let it cool for a few moments before adding it to your milk and egg mixture. Give that a quick whisk as well. Now, gently pour all of your wet ingredients into the bowl with your dry mixture. Stir everything together with a spatula until it's just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine, so don't overmix. Now it's time to get these delicious muffins into the oven. Carefully divide your batter evenly among the 12 prepared muffin cups. You'll want to fill each cup about 2/3 of the way full. Once your pan is filled, place it into your preheated 400-degree oven. Bake the muffins for about 15 to 18 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the tops are beautifully golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This ensures they are perfectly cooked through. Once your cornbread muffins are out of the oven, let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and makes them easier to remove. After 5 minutes, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely or enjoy them warm. These tender muffins are absolutely delicious served with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite chili. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade cornbread muffins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.